Giving assessment. Hello, Mark. Please come in.
Hello, Miss Sarah. Thank you.
Today, we will review your assessment.
Sorry, what does assessment mean?
Assessment means we check your skills.
Oh, like checking my English level?
Yes, exactly like that.
I feel a little nervous.
That is normal. Don't worry. Let's start with your results.
Results. Are they good?
Yes, your score is 82.
Score. What is score?
Score means the number of points you get.
Oh, I see. 82 sounds good.
Yes, it is a good score. But there are things to improve.
Improve. Does that mean get better?
Exactly. Improve means make something better.
What should I improve?
Your speaking is strong. Your grammar needs practice.
I am sorry for my English sometimes.
Please don't worry about that. Your English is clear. You are learning well.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Now I will give you feedback.
Feedback? What does that mean?
Feedback means advice about your work.
Oh, advice to help me improve.
Yes, exactly right.
Thank you for helping me learn.
You're welcome, Mark. Keep practicing.
I will. See you next time.
See you next week. Goodbye. Arranging a banquet.
Hello, welcome to the Grand Hall.
Hello. I need some help today.
Of course. What can I do for you?
I want to plan a big dinner for my company.
That sounds like a banquet.
Sorry, what is a banquet?
A banquet is a large formal dinner. Many guests attend.
Oh, like a big dinner party.
Yes, exactly like that.
I see. I want a banquet next month.
Great. First, we make a reservation.
Reservation. What does that mean?
Reservation means booking a place early.
Oh, booking before the event.
Exactly right. How many guests will come?
Maybe 30 or 40 people?
That size is perfect for our hall.
That means people who come?
Yes, guests are the people you invite.
Okay, that is clear now.
Next, we choose the menu.
Menu, meaning food choices?
Yes, menu is the list of food and drinks.
Can guests choose different food?
Yes, or you can select one menu.
I am sorry for my English.
Please don't worry, your English is very clear. Mistakes help us learn.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
Wonderful. I will prepare your reservation.
Thank you for your help today.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
In the supermarket. Hello, welcome to our supermarket.
Hello. I need some help today.
Of course. What are you looking for?
I want milk and bread. I cannot find them.
They are in aisle 5.
Sorry, what is an aisle?
An aisle is a long row between shelves.
Oh, the walking space in the store.
Yes, exactly. Aisle 5 is this way. You can also take a basket if you like.
Basket? What is a basket?
A basket is a small container. You carry items in it.
Oh, I see. That is useful.
Many customers use baskets for shopping.
I see red signs everywhere. They say discount.
Discount means the price is lower than normal.
Oh, cheaper than usual.
Exactly. You can find some good deals today.
After I pay, what paper do I get?
That paper is called a receipt.
Receipt. It shows what I bought.
Yes, exactly right. Keep it in case of returns.
Thank you, Emma. I learned many new words today.
You are doing very well. Don't worry about mistakes.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
Great. Enjoy your shopping. In the jewelry store.
Hello? Can you show me some jewelry?
Sure. Do you want necklaces, rings, or bracelets?
Maybe rings first.
Great choice. This one is gold.
Gold. What does carat mean?
Carat shows how pure the gold is. Higher carat, more pure.
Oh, I see. And this stone?
That is a gemstone. It can be a diamond, ruby, or sapphire.
Gemstone. Okay. Can I try it on?
Of course. Here, on your finger.
Wow, it fits. And this bracelet, is it gold too?
Yes, it is 18-karat gold.
Necklace. How do I know size?
Necklaces come in different lengths. You can try them.
Oh, that is helpful. Can I mix gemstones?
Yes, many people like different stones together.
Thank you. I am learning many words.
You are doing great. It is normal to ask questions.
I feel more confident choosing jewelry now.
Perfect. Take your time. I will help you with anything.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy exploring. Traveling by train.
Hello, I want to travel to the city today.
Hello, sure. Do you already have a ticket?
No, I am not sure how to buy one.
No problem. You can buy a ticket here at the counter.
Ticket. Okay. Is it paper or digital?
Either works. You can take a paper ticket or an e-ticket on your phone.
I see. And which train should I take?
Let's check the schedule. The next train to the city leaves at 5:30 p.m.
Schedule. What does that mean?
Schedule is the list of train times. It tells you when trains leave and arrive.
Oh, okay. That is helpful.
You are doing great. Do you want a seat in coach A or B?
Coach, is that the carriage?
Yes, each coach is one section of the train.
I will take coach B then. And where do I wait?
At platform 3, that is where the train stops for passengers.
Platform. What is platform?
A platform is the area where passengers wait and get on the train.
Oh, I understand now.
Good. Do you need help finding your seat when the train arrives?
Yes, please. I'm still learning these words.
No problem. Asking questions is how you learn.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
Great. Enjoy your journey and let me know if you need anything.
I will. Thank you for helping me today.
You did great today. Keep learning real English conversations and don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Practice.